A vision is a long-term aim of the company, and a strategy is a method for achieving the long-term aim. Let's listen in as the team discusses how this applies to Fabric.
Paul, what was your vision when you started Fabric all those years ago?
I wanted us to be the most respected custom-made suit brand. I did it by creating the world's best business suits, individually made for each customer.
And how did you accomplish that?
My strategy had three main components: customization, flexibility, and expertise. I decided that each customer should be able to design their own suit however they wanted it. Flexibility meant that I could adjust delivery times to whenever it was convenient for the customer. And expertise meant that I only hired people who were experts in their field, people that could create high-quality suits that couldn't be copied by competitors.
But aren't there a lot of companies that have the same vision, like becoming the most respected custom-made suit brand?
Yes, that's why I needed to not just customize my suits, but rather customize them better than my competition. I didn't just need to be flexible, but even more flexible than my competition. And not just have experts, but my experts had to be better at making suits than my competitors' experts.
That's why the set of strategies we use in business is called competitive strategy.